So what are non-fungible tokens, NFTs? So NFTs are basically tokens that represent a piece of art. It could be membership, it could be photography, and it could be anything. Now, one of the most popular places to sell these stuffs are OpenSea and all that. In today's video, we will not be talking about OpenSea, rather we'll be talking about a project called Raresama. So Raresama actually spun up from Carnage when they were playing the game, Carnage game, and then after some time they had a token for the game, and that is where we are now. So to a quick update, this token has been converted to its own network called Raresama. So and then Raresama was rebranded to Musama. So then you can see the updates here on CoinGecko. So if you want to bridge your tokens, you simply come to this place, and then you can bridge. If you have poop tokens, you can bridge them to some of the earlier you bridge, the better. And then to access this Raresama, you need an EVM wallet, and you can use MetaMask, and then you can also use Weird Talisman. So Weird Talisman gives you the Polkadot and also the Ethereum experience, so you can interact with a Polkadot, the apps, and all that. So enough of that. Okay, and then before you continue, you will need also Sama tokens. So in case you don't have Sama tokens, if you have Poop already, you can use these multi-bridge to convert to Sama. But in case you don't have that, you can go to this exchange MXC to get some Sama tokens. And in case you have, you can also bridge some assets over or swap some tokens to Sama. They have the wormhole bridge, which you can use to bridge assets and all that. So that is all the possible ways to get the Sama tokens. So enough of that. So let's talk about this project, Raresama. So what is the Raresama all about? So Raresama is in the same line with the OpenSea. So you can list arts, memberships, photographs, all manner of stuffs, 3D art, 2D art, voices and all that, even music NFTs and all that. So it's basically a place where you can buy and sell NFTs. You can create NFTs, you can buy and sell NFTs. You can set the price based on how much, from the price from lowest to highest. You can talk about live option and all that. So the first thing, then it has this nice feature. I know if you like this. So the first thing is to now log in. So to log in, you can use a MetaMask or a Talisman wallet. So we're trying to log in now. So once you're logged in, you now have an account. So there are 3 main accounts on this system. So I'm just using this as a test. You have the anonymous account. So the anonymous account is the first time you log in, you become an anonymous account. Like it's showing here, you have 0. Now I can decide to upgrade my account from anonymous to a member. So I just create a new. So you can upgrade if you pay 100 Sama. So with 100 Sama, you can upgrade. You can have things like a profile picture, a banner, create a bar, and all that for 100 Sama. And then you can also become a verified and all that. So once you're done with that, now you've come in, you can now bid on an NFT using the price. So let's take, for example, we're talking about 1,000 to 10,000. So you will see the prices from that. Okay, I can say, okay, 10,000 to 100,000. You see the NFTs and all that. So you can have other options like buy now and all that. But enough of that. Now, another thing again is you can also see NFTs that are happening, like live auctions, and then place a bid. And then you already know there are different kind of NFTs. We have normal NFTs. We have collections, NFTs that have like collections and all that. And then we also have profiles. So now let's go to the how you can participate in governance for this project. So for governance, there are different things that one can actually do. Every artwork you see here that is listed as an NFT was voted upon. It's not like OpenSea where they say the platform is centralized, it's owned by some individuals. No. Once you create your NFTs, before it gets listed on this platform, there is a community that has guidelines and all that. You can see people's work like this. You can see things like rejected, approved, and all manner of stuff. So first, if you want to create your NFT, it's asking me to upgrade to a member, which is the 100 Sama. So 100 Sama is like if we do a converter, so that is not much, $3. So once I'm able to upgrade to create, I can create an artwork proposal, or you can create a collection proposal. Now, if you want to create an artwork proposal, you need 8 million Sama tokens. So that is what you need to bound down before you can create this artwork proposal. And then for a collection, you need 12 million. So let's see how much is that. This is 12,000, 120,000. So you need to deposit those tokens before you can create any of such proposal. Now you might be asking, why are you going to deposit such amounts? Because the project that is a platform. Let's take for example things that you sell on OpenSea. It is expected that OpenSea had vetted your project. So you're not going to come and say there's a rock pool. No. But if a random person just goes and build an NFT project, host it on their website, and then does everything and say, okay, you contribute your tokens and buy from us. If they rock pull you, that is a different thing. It's like what the likes of CoinList does. So CoinList is a very, very reputable platform. You can go there and buy tokens. But before you go, you know that these people, they have vetted these tokens. So there's not going to be any cost for alarm. So it's the same thing with the Raresama ecosystem. You that is coming to create a collection, you know, a collection is much more than a just piece of art and all that. So you have to deposit those tokens. So, and then you upload the NFT media, the royalty, you set the royalty fees and all that. Now let's go to governance. Now you can create a proposal. It's asking me I must be member and all that. So for a profile verification, you need 4 million tokens. 4 million vote requirement. So that's what it means. Now, remember I said you need these tokens. So if the vote is not up to that amount, you can't get it. So this, if you are doing a summer collection, if you don't get a number of votes that is equal this amount, it's not just going to be 1 or 2 persons just voting and you get this stuff passed. So please note that. Now, you only need a submission fee. I don't get this wrong. The submission fee you need is, it's different. Like for profile, you need 100. Artwork, you need 50. For verification, you need 100. But your votes, you must get this for each of the case. So the people that are voting, it must be this. It must be this. So then you can put a proposal, do a manner of things, and you are good to go. So that's a brief about how you can use this platform. We've talked about how you can bridge your tokens from Poop to Sama. Talked about how you can get Sama directly. We talked about how you can even use the decentralized exchange to swap to Sama or from Sama and all that. How you can also bridge using the wormhole bridge. And talk about how you can become a member, how you can use the NFTs. So that is a lot of information. So see you at Raresama.